installation. Open up the sample file and you should see thumbnails being generated. 4.3MF, STL, OBJ are the new file formats that we have added, including fixing some materials, loading for some GLB files. We see two samples here. With GLTF, we simply right-click and generate the 3D model image. And there we have it. Of course, it helps to view icons. It's not possible to have a thumbnail extractor for GLTF files because of a Windows security system where it will not allow us access to this data in the bin file. So, but it does for all these other single file formats. Right-click on multiple types, generate 3D model images, and you notice that it's producing our PNG files. That's driven by the settings in the GLTF extensions options. It's also part of the installation, where you can enable and disable the shell extension, choose the image format, and a pre-selected image size. That's pretty much it for this short video. It's super simple, natively built right into Windows File Explorer. You don't need an external viewer to preview 5 formats commonly used in 3D printing and 3D modeling.